Good morning all of you. So let us discuss the remaining questions from that exercise question. That is question number 7. All of you take your textbook and take question number 7. The question is, the students of class 8 of a school donated 2401 rupees in all for Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. Okay, from the total that 8th standard total students, how many donated? 2401 total rupees. Then each students donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Okay, listen that sentence. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Suppose if 40 students are in the class, each one donated 40 rupees, like that. If 35 students are in the class, then each one donated 35 rupees each. Like that they donated, and it is found that the total amount got from that 8th standard is how much rupees? 2401 rupees. Then find the number of students in the class. That's the question. Okay, so how we can answer this question? First we know the total amount, we know how much rupees? 2401 rupees, and it is given the amount each one donated how much rupees? As many number of students in the class. So how many students will be in that class? How we can answer this question? That means when we multiply a number with the same number, then we will get, if we multiply the number of students with the amount for each one donated, then what will be that answer? 2401. Okay, if 30 students are in the class, and it is given if the number of students and the each one donated, that amount donated by each one, that are same. Okay, so if that two numbers when we multiply, we want to get the answer as 2401, and also it is given both numbers are equal. So what will be the how many students will be in that class? So it will get by finding the square root of 2401. Okay, so the number of students in that class we can find it by finding the square root of 2401. By prime factorization we can find out. So 2 not possible, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 also not possible. Next prime 5 not possible, 7. Okay, when we divide by 7 we can check 3 into 7 21, then in 30 how many 7? 4 7 28, then 21 again 343. Again we are dividing by 3, we will get 4 into 7 3 into 7 21, 4 into 7 30 343 will get. Now again we are dividing by 7. 3 is not possible because 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 3 10. So it is not possible dividing by 3. So again we can check by 7. So in 34 4 into 7 28. Then next remaining the 6 in 63 how many 7? 9 into 7 63. Then 49 again dividing by 7 we will get 7. So square root of 2400 will be 2401 we can write it as 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Then therefore square root of 2401 will be, take each one from each pair. So 7 into 7, that will be 49. Okay, so the number of students in the class is 49, and also each one donated how much rupees? 49 rupees each. Okay, so that is that question. Next question, read. All of you read the next question. Same type question you can. 2025 plants are to be planted in a garden in such a way that each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. Okay, each row contains as many plants as the number of rows. If suppose 8 rows are there, if 8 rows are there, then how many plants will be in each row? 8 plants. 8 plants will be there. Okay, that type. Just like we told about that amount of donation and number of students. Same problem, same type of problem. Find the number of rows and the number of plants in each row. Using the same method, we can answer this. The total plants is given 2025. So it is given the number of rows is equal to the number of plants in each row. Okay, then how many plants will be in each row? How we can find out? By finding the square root of 2025. Okay, so using the same method, you want to find it. Now, next question, look, 9th question. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9 and 10. Read the question well. Find the smallest square number. We want to find out a smallest square number. Okay, that should be divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9 and 10. So first we want to find out, here 2 steps are there. First we want to find out which is the number which is divisible by these 3 numbers 4, 9 and 10. Okay, how we can find out that the smallest number divisible by 4, 9 and 10? How we can find out? Yeah, by finding the LCM of that 3 numbers. Here 3 numbers are there, 4, 9 and 10. So that smallest number only, not square number. First we are finding the smallest number which is divisible by these 3. So that number we will get by finding the LCM of that 3 numbers. So when we divide by 2, it will be 2, 9 again 5. Next we can divide by 3, then 2, 3, 5. Now all different primes. 2 into 3, 6 into 2, 18. 18 into, here we will get 10, 30, 90, 180. Okay, it will get 180. LCM of these numbers we will get 180. So LCM we got 180. Again you read the question. What we want to find out? Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9 and 10. Now check, this number 180 is not a square number. That we know. It is not a perfect square number. So when we find its prime factorization, we can find out the numbers. The number we want to find out the prime factor which is without a pair. So when we factorize this 180, 2, 90, 2, 45, 45 by 3, 15, 15 by 3, 5. Okay, so 180 is equal to, we got 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So which is the number without a pair? Which is the prime number without a pair? 5. So when we multiply this number 180 with 5, we will get it as a square number, perfect square number. So 180 when we multiply with 5, balance for 900. Okay, now when we multiply, this same type of question we already done. So here 5 is a number, prime number without any pair. So when we divide that number 180 with 5, we will get a perfect square number. So that we got 900. Then what we want to answer? What is the question? Find the smallest square number. That's only. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9 and 10. So the required square number is 900. Okay. The required square number is 900. Now one more question like this. Find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 8, 15 and 20. Same type problem. So first you want to find out the LCM of 8, 15 and 20. That 3 numbers LCM we want to find out first. Now that LCM will not be a square number. Then which number we will multiply to get it a perfect square, that we want to find out. Which smallest number we should multiply with that LCM to get a perfect square. For that we want to prime factorize that LCM. Okay, just like we want to prime factorize that LCM, then find out the number which is not a pair. Okay, then that number multiply with the LCM, that will be the required square number. Okay, same type of problem that you can do as homework. Okay, thank you.